Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. You may remember a couple of weeks ago I installed this transmission pan skid from Taboo Customs, and again I've gone to another race day and I'm seeing a couple more dents in my oil pan, so I believe we're going to install our oil pan skid. Let's dive in. Alright, we're going to try to take the head pipe bolts out now, and I hope these things don't shear off, because if they do, oh boy, I'm in for a good time. And my impact battery is just about dead. Well, I saw some sparks up there. I wonder what that was from. Sorry guys. Well, I can move it some now. All right, and I think I can get it shoved over far enough, because I've got easy access to the bolts from right here. Now when I put the skid over it, I'm going to have a little bit less access, but that looks like it ought to be enough. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to start pulling out the oil pan bolts that we need to get out of the way. Set those aside because I don't think we're going to use those. And we got 4 on this side. Alright, I hope you guys can kind of see what's going on up under here. They send you new bolts with the skid, so I'm gonna try and get a couple of them started, one on each side. Hopefully I won't have to take the starter off. I'm already running into trouble. Oh, there we go. Snuck it by there. Got one started. That's going to be the hardest part, I believe. Trying to juggle everything. Oh, nice. I think this one might be the hardest one to get to, but if we can, then that means we ain't got to move the starter or anything. Oh, come on. Dang it. I was kind of hoping to... Oh, look at there. Look at there. All right. How about that? Yes, we didn't have to move the starter. Awesome. All right, let me show you guys the little trick I figured out here for getting that one bolt that's behind the starter. You got cutouts on the sides for access of the skid, right where the bolts are, and I was able to just barely sneak my 10mm up in there and get to that bolt, and then if you're careful you can get it right back out again, so you don't have to move the starter. All right, I need to retighten my exhaust bolts. right, guys, and that's it. 4 bolts per side. Easy install. All you got to do is just loosen up your exhaust so you can move it around a little bit. And on this is a 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ, so I was able to sneak right by that starter, so I didn't even have to take that off. So that's going to give me some more protection off-road. I think this thing's like 3/16 or 7 gauge steel or something like that. Nice black powder coat. I'll put a link to it down in the description. You can get it from TabooCustoms.com. And appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.